everyone, it's Henny here and welcome to my YouTube channel. But today's video will be on this chopstick curler styler right here. I've always had straight hair, and whenever I tried to get curls it never would really hold in my hair. And this chopstick styler is from Lee Stafford. It is a UK brand. You can get it on Amazon. I'll go ahead and make sure to link down below where you can get it from. I'm kind of scared because a lot of times things don't hold up in my hair. So before we go any further into this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you want to see more hair videos like this, and make sure to click the notification bell button so you're notified on when I post new videos. You also want to make sure you use a heat protectant spray. Okay, it works. So I don't know how you, I guess you just kind of spray. Alright, let's get straight into this video. Alright guys, so this is what I got after a good 45 minutes. Can I just say I love the curls. I love how this looks. I think this looks really pretty. I do love how this looks a lot actually. The only thing I will do different is, as you can tell, I didn't really get the curls all the way up to my roots. And I think that's because I'm kind of new at using like these curling tools, so I was a little afraid to go really close to the root. But other than that, I think this is really pretty. For someone that never curls their hair, never attempted to, this is pretty easy, I think. It's so weird looking at myself right now like this. Really cool. I like it a lot. I think I'll definitely be doing this again and try to get it more to the top of my head instead of like right here. But regardless of how I did it, I think it looks nice and it's very different. But alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you think I did a pretty good job for my first try and for someone who never curls their hair like whatsoever or even put heat in their hair. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I post new videos here every week. And comment down below if you've used something like this before or other ways you achieve these tighter, thinner curls. But alright guys, that is it, and I will see you in the next video. Alright, bye guys.